Today we're making aloo wale parathe. Making in minutes, very easy, very tasty. Make sure you guys stay till end of the video because I'm gonna share my secret at the end. Come on guys. So for aloo wale parathe we need boiled potatoes, chopped onions, garlic and chili mix, and we need dried fenugreek leaves. Yeah, so we're gonna mix everything in there. So now we're gonna add salt according to your taste. Then we're gonna add some red chili powder, degi mirch, garam masala, and we're gonna use little bit ajwain. That's all. And we need amchur powder, is mango powder actually. Is make more tasty your paranthas. So we're gonna mix everything properly. So we are ready now to make aloo wale parathe. We're gonna make one bowl like this. Filling with this stuff, and we're gonna round like this. Then we're gonna dip like this. So we can just check like this. It's not sticking it from anywhere. So that means we can flip now. Then we can put, I'm using this ghee. So you guys can use any which one you like. So I'm gonna ready now Sikandar's thali because he's very hungry. He has no patience. So that's back. We can do multitasks, guys. Especially we ladies can do multitasks.
That's all the thing that's left.
So I made fresh coriander and mint chutney. I'm gonna mix in there. I will share with you guys how to make this recipe as well if you want. And a little bit sweet chutney in there. So it's very nice, very soft. Paratha is ready. Here you go, Sikandar. And he wants some mitha achar as well. There you go. We're gonna add some mitha achar there. Sweet lime pickle is here. So the plate is ready for Sikandar. He gonna do now taste test how it is. Thali is very hot, Sikandar, from this side. Okay. Like yesterday. So make sure guys you try this recipe. It's very easy, very simple, and we can find everything in our home. We don't need to buy anything extra. All things available in our home all the time. Secret for this video was that, guys, if you guys make yogurt like this, coriander chutney in there, yogurts and mithi chutney, then you guys feel different taste of your paratha. Believe me, trust me.
Alright, so I'm gonna try Mum's beautiful aloo wale paratha. It's so nice. It's nice and crunchy where it needs to be, and it's very nice and soft from the inside. I love it. Pairing it with the achar and the dahi, it tastes so nice.